Hello. My name is Michael Carpin. I'm founding advisor at Mosaic ML, where we, the team that we've got going on here, have been looking at something that I think you all have been looking at as well. And that is large language models. Models like GPT-3 are now able to do some quite amazing things. All right, we're seeing them being used to write blog posts or ad copy. These models can actually program, they can generate code. Even more, these models are essentially artists, right? We're seeing them used to paint, to draw, to write magazine covers, to augment systems like Photoshop. Now, there's a little bit of a problem here. While there are these amazing opportunities to build really transformative and radical products on top of these models and technologies, these models are large and increasingly more expensive. They're billions, if not coming on trillions of parameters in size, which equals millions, multi-millions of dollars to actually train these models. So it really brings about this question. How do we enable people to use this? Because right now, if we actually look in the landscape, it's really only the largest companies. You see your Meta spending millions of dollars to be able to build the system infrastructure that's driving training these models. Similarly, OpenAI, one of the leaders in this space, is as well investing millions, if not billions of dollars in infrastructure costs. And so there really is a fundamental problem question here, which is who can play this game? Is it only the largest companies? Is it only the state actors? Or can we, perhaps mere mortals, do something in this space? Correspondingly, there's this fundamental technical question that we've been looking at Mosaic ML, which is, does ML need to be so expensive? And our answer is no. So what we have is a system that can actually take your data and connect it to a variety of algorithms that we have to generate your own model, like GPT-3, trained on your own data. You own the model, and it's on your data, unlike what you're seeing in existing contemporary approaches through this with OpenAI. Now, we can take that model and also run it on our cloud platform, which between our models, our algorithms, and our hardware systems, our infrastructure is going to give you the best models in the shortest amount of time for the lowest cost. And so what that means for you is that you can participate just like the partners that we've been working at. So for example, our partners at Stanford, they've been able to trade large language models in biomedical text. Our partners in the financial services industries have also been able to train large language models on the financial data that they've been working with. And overall, what that means is there's this common understanding that these models take millions of dollars to train. If you work with us, we can bring that cost down from millions to hundreds of thousands, and in the future, even cheaper than that, meaning that these types of models like GPT-3 can be 1,000% cheaper. And now, perhaps within the reach of mere mortals, like at least like me, and perhaps like you as well. So we're going to be here for the rest of the day doing some demos. And if you'd like to check out the systems that we have to offer and talk to us about how you can work with us, we'd happy to be able to do that. And here, if you follow our little code right here, you can actually schedule a demo to actually get set up to work with us today. So that's it. Thanks.